In this lecture, we will elaborate cost function's derivative calculation. Let's jump in. Here is our chain rule. Let's see our cost function. As you can see, there is a function within a function. Let's replace inner function with capital A, like this. As a result, we will have a squared, and derivative of it will be 2 times a. Then we will insert a as it is, and here is outer function's derivative. Inner function looks like this. In order you to better understand it, let's insert values instead of x and y, because as you already know, they are not variables. And as we find derivative with respect to w, we have to treat b as a constant as well. So let's give it a random number like 3, for example. Derivative of this function is 5, which is actually x. As a final step, we will have to multiply them. You may still wonder about derivatives. Here are some easy explanations which we already know. Please pause the video and check it on your own. Let's check our calculations online on derivative-calculator.net. Here is our cost function. By default, if we have x in a function, it calculates derivative with respect to x. So don't forget to change it here and select w, because we find partial derivative with respect to w, and here it was changed. So press go button and see the result. Here is our result, and that's exactly what we have. You can do the same for b. You can find partial derivative with respect to b. In the next lecture, we will see full model in Python. That's all for now. See you in the next lectures.